Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new viewer, definitely go to my channel and watch all these videos, and only if you like these videos then go hit this subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, you can WhatsApp us to 7892652481 to know what are the additional services provided by the Smart Trader team. And for the ones who wants to open a Zerodha account, you can directly go and copy paste this link in your browsers, and then Zerodha will be contacting you for more information, and you'll be getting an offers like 1 month free paid calls and flat 30% off on our training fees. By saying that, let's start off with today's intraday strategy video. So in today's intraday strategy video, we are going to use few parameters. Before that, I would say a disclaimer that this video is for educational purpose only. So this video is basically on my researches, what I have learned from Google and other friends. So these are based on my experiences and my opinions. So this is just going to be a knowledge share. So whatever I do, I normally share with you guys, right? So the simple tricks and strategies I do share with everyone. Same way, this is going to be just an educational video, so please do paper trading and try it out, and only if you see that your skills are matching and you're able to understand the strategy and it's working out for you, then try it out. It's as per your decision. So by saying that, without wasting time, let's quickly talk about the parameters of this strategy. So in this strategy, I have used a chart of 1 minute. Okay, then I have used a pretty good indicator. It's an indicator. The name is called as pretty good, and I have used a period of 14. It's a default period. And after that, I have used a Renko chart to clear the noise in the market. So I have used Renko charts over here, and the value I have not given any value, and I have given auto select value. So in Zerodha, I'm not sure about other brokers, but in Zerodha we have auto select value, so it will auto select for each stock. So based on that, a particular value will be given. So based on these parameters, we have created a small strategy, a very simple strategy for most of the beginners and most of the experts, or whoever wants to trade. You can just find a stock, when to buy and when to sell, and how much profit you can make and when to exit. So by saying this, let's go to our kite and let's open a chart of any of the stock. If I open this particular stock and if I give Renko, okay, I'm giving Renko. If you see in Renko, I have not given any value. I've given auto select, so it has auto selected the value. So by selecting this Renko, I am also giving one indicator that is pretty good oscillator. Okay, a period of 14, a default, as I told you. Now I gave it done. So the strategy is going to be very simple. If you see, we are given 1 minute chart, we are given Renko default and even auto select and even pretty good default 14 period. The main simple strategy here is the price. The pretty good indicator will show you the buying point and selling point. That is, for example, from below here it's a buy, and here is a shade, and below is a sell. Again here it is a sell, it is a sell. Understood? So this will actually show the indication. So how do we know should we sell here or should we buy here? So next we would see, so here is a buy. So whenever the gray is in below down, we're gonna buy. So crossing above, so we're gonna buy here, and when that is going down, that is when we're going to sell. So from here we're going to sell, from here we're going to buy, again we're going to sell here, again we're going to sell here. Now next we need to clear few noise in the market, so we're going to use this Renko chart. This is created based on the Renko chart, so both have relatively few connections. So if I see over here, if I say a buy over here, I see a candle out here, I see a candle out here. So two consecutive candles should be formed to give a proper confirmation. That is when I will buy at this particular point, that is 550, and I'll be selling at 554.38. So at least two candles confirmation should be there. Be very careful. A green candle will be formed, a second green candle will be formed, but this price will go down, and again it comes back to this candle. This is not like a normal candlestick. Renko charts will be created based on the value. If the value goes up, a new candle is created. If the value goes down, the value comes here, and as it comes below this, a red candle will be created. Like for example, value comes down like this, a red value is created as and when it goes down. So as and when it goes up, green value is created. So based on the value, the chart is created, not based on the time. Okay. So now I got a confirmation here as a buy, time for buy, but I got a confirmation after the second candle, so I bought it here. Okay. Now I'm not looking into these. For that we will find various other strategies how to hit these points, movements over here, but this is going to be very simple. Not to do too many trades, just do one particular trade for a day. If you see over here also it gave a sell, okay, but again it went to a green, so I didn't sell over there. Next over here again it showed a sell, but there is no 2 consecutive candles, so I didn't sell. Currently it is showing over here, it has not yet crossed down. It's created one red candle, but it has to create 2 red candles. What if it goes above and creates a green candle? The rally will continue above, uptrend. Now let's check this with other stocks. In this case, you see it has shown a sell, 2 candles, okay, 78.50. so if I try to sell this 78.50, at least one single candle is 78.20, 30 paisa over here. So target one would be always, if you see the value of one candle would be the target one. So 78.50, 78.30 paisa. So target 2 will be 77.91. Understood? So your target should always be based on the candles, the candles formed here, because all the values of this candles will be same. So if you're expecting something down, the same value should be your target, or either just above this or this candle. So this candle will be more than fine. So your target 1 should be 1 candle, your target 2 should be 2 candles, target 3 should be 3 candles. So people who wants to wait a full rally, you can wait for full rally. Okay. For example, if you see here one buy is here one sell is there. So if you see this buy over here, 2 candles formed, 78 point. If I keep here, I can see the information over here. Okay. So for this candle, the close was 74.05. So the stock went up to 74.35. So 30 paisa profit over there. Okay, so 30 paisa profit, one candle, again 30 paisa profit, again 30 paisa profit, again 30.5 profit. So at least I made 1 rupee 20 paisa in this stock. That is more than 1%, more than 1.5%. So that is the profit made in this particular trade, and it is on the same day. If you see, this is on the 29th of the day this rally was there, and if you see a sell over here, this is a sell, but there was a single candle and got reversed, so I didn't sell, and there was not a buying reversal also. Going to other charts, any charts, if you see sell over here, to sell 252.38, small movement over here in Hindalco. So when you choose a stock, always see, you keep it on a candle. Okay, click on this info and click on a candle, or just keep it on a candle and see over here. Okay, over here the open and close, what is the variation? See, the variation is very small, around 30 paisa, 20 to 30 paisa movement in Hindalco. Stock like 251 rupees, the movement is only small. But in these cases where keep it on the candle, see the difference, around 1 rupee 50 paisa. So it's more than enough. So you know that one single candle can give you more than enough percentage. So take a calculator and calculate differences between the close and the open, the close and the open. So keep it on the candle and see what is the difference. If it is more than 0.3%, definitely one candle should be your target one. And if you want, risk traders can wait for target 2, target 3, or we can wait for the whole rally till it goes here and reverses. Okay. So choose stocks before choosing the graph like this. After choosing a graph like this, see what is the stock value, what is the open and close value. So if the margin is really good, then go with that. hit at least one single candle with at least 10% margin MIS order, or else cover order, bracket order with 20 times. So this 0.3, minimum 0.3, within this candle you can hit 0.3 percentage and you can make that 3% or 6% profit, or in Asta you can make 12% profit with being very carefully. Okay, so understand, it should give a signal here, gray out signals here, gray out. Here's a buy, 2 candle up, I'm giving a buy, 549, 554. Okay, let's just randomly check with all the stocks. So you need to carefully check, try and test it out. Over here, if you see 2 candles, 84, it has gone up to 85.36. again here there's a false selling over here. If you see, false selling, as soon as it reversed, you're gonna stop this trade. Okay, so that would be a stop loss. When this reverses, you're gonna stop this trade. And again, if you see here, one sell signal but only single candle, no double confirmation. And if you see here on buy signal, 2 candles, 86.21, 87.05 was the buy. So this is how this simple strategy with this pretty good oscillator and Renko chart, automatic auto value Renko chart, will help you with a 1 minute chart for intraday, especially for intraday traders. So you need to see which are the charts which has signal. I would suggest you go with the stocks with high volatility for the day, or which is moving really good volume or good movement, good value movement for the day. So choose those stocks, because those stocks will be creating new candles. Few stocks will be stuck for the day, so it won't create new candles for the day. So hope this video is an add-on to your knowledge. Please do paper trading or play virtual games and to understand these strategies, and try to add on new parameters to this. And if you find some new parameters to clear the noise in the market, then please do add that in the comments, so that when I can see that and improve these strategies, or anybody can improve these strategies. And also share this to all your friends and see what are their opinions, and based on that try to develop, so that even you will develop, they will develop, and every one of us will develop together. So by saying this, thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button, like button, share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.